Okay, hello everyone. My name is Yizheng Qiao, a student from USC Waterloo. Today, I will show my EE533 Lab 1 demo. Okay, let's start it. Firstly, I should open the Vimo workstation, and I have created two virtual machines on this station. One is called the server, and another one is called the client. And and uh, and we should create the same program code to achieve the communication between the client and the server. And all this code is uh, re, 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 received from teacher in input date. Um, so for both of the code, it can achieve more functions. For like the server can receive messages from client continuously until you want to quit. And one server can achieve many different clients in the same time. And the messages from the different clients want to influence each other. Firstly, I will introduce the code. This is the server. See. Okay. Uh, from there. Okay. This code implements a simple TCP-based concurrent serial program, and the server reads the port number from the command line open, start up and listens for the client connection on the port. Whenever a client connects, the server creates a child process using fork to handle that client, while the parent process continues listening for new connections. And the child process introduced functions repeatedly read the data sent by the client. If the message is successfully received, it prints the message on the server side and replies to the client with a fixed string. I got your message. With the client disconnect, the child process closes and the scored and exists. Overall, I think this program demonstrated the basic process of using scores, TCP communication, and multi-process concurrence to handle the client requests. And next, I will show the client side. This code, I think, is implements the TCP-based client program, and the program obtains the service host name and the number from the command line arguments to create a TCP scope and establish the connection with the server. After a successful connection, the client enters a loop, reading user input from the standard input and sending the message to the server. It then blocks waiting for the reply from the server and prints the received reply to the screen. The client exits when the user presses Ctrl+D or when the server closes the connections. And for me, I think that is a simple client example for interacting with the TCP server commonly, and it's very important for me to learn the C language code network programming. And next I will show the how it works. And before demonstration, you can see I have already run my code, and you can see a small gear icon on this desktop. This gene icon represents the TCP serial program that I compiled. So we can to do some demonstration directly, and also for the client side, this small gear icon represents the client program that I compiled, and which is a TCP client used for communicating with the server. And then before that, I will say that all of the code is that we receive from the teachers, but I add some like some loop in this code in order to achieve some better functions like continuous receive the messages. Okay. Okay, firstly, I should open the terminal on the desktop because I have saved this C program document on the desktop. And before that, I should find the IP address of this server computer. You can see that this line. I found his IP address. Then, and we should define the port from this computer for the output for the after demonstration. Okay, we come back to the client side. Also, I should open the terminal on desktop. As you can see, we should make the connection between the client and the server. So I type this IP address and a port of the server computer, and then you can see this screen shows the screen. Please enter the messages. Okay, I type some messages like hello, sorry, hello. And back to the server side, you can see here the message ahead. The server gets the message from the client, and from the original code, it can just receive the messages once. Whenever you type the messages, it just quits. You can do nothing. But after I add the while loop in this code, it can receive the messages continuously. Okay, and that's continue to type. We type the sorry, come to what is your name? My name is Qiao. Oh, back to the service side. You can see all the messages from the candidate it has received. If you want to quit, you just follow the step. Type the Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D. It exit from the service side. You receive the message. Client disconnected. Okay, this is my first demonstration. Open the terminal to end this. Next, I will show how the service receives the messages from different clients. I mean the many clients to send the message to the service. And all these messages of different clients want to influence each other. Okay, same as before, we should open the terminal on the desktop, and we should find the port from the client. I should open the terminal 1, terminal 2, and terminal 3, and terminal 4. That's per second. Okay. And all of this client should make the connection with the server. Okay. Okay, then I type the 1 in the terminal 1. I type the 2 in terminal 2. I type the 3 in terminal 3, and I type the 4 in terminal 4. Okay, I think all of these messages have received this load. It shows that all these messages won't influence each other. And if you want to quit, you just type the Ctrl plus D, Ctrl plus D, Ctrl plus D, and the Ctrl. Oh no, I can say another. I just show you it can continue to type to send a message to server. Oh. Sorry. The server received the hello from the fourth terminal, and the one terminal to three terminal, the client has disconnected. And the control plus D. All right, control plus D. Oh my god. Control plus D. Okay. I think all things has disconnected. Okay, thank you. That's all of my demonstration. Thank you very much.